Bicol region. We at Xiamen Naga are proud pioneers of steering change through the future-forward vehicles of the Xiamen brand. Safe, technology-driven mobility options to bring us to a better future. Xiamen Motor Philippines, the official distributor of Xiamen in the country, officially launched November last year. Today marks the launching of Xiamen Naga City, the authorized dealership of Xiamen vehicles in the Bicol region, which make us confident that we are ready to change the future of local mobility here with our first offerings that powerfully bring together intelligent driving, trend-setting vehicle designs, extensive safety features, and outstanding engine performance.
Nagkakauga po kasi ng launching and test drive event. So, it's a 2-day event here in Xiamen Naga. So, isay po ba si Xiamen? So, si Xiamen po, uba siyang 158 years of history and development. So, si Xiamen po, ang history niya, well, originally, nag-originate po siya sa China. Alright? Now, currently po, we have done research and development all over the world. So, we have the touch of European, Japanese, American technology and features. Kaya po talagang mas pinagayon po ang features and technology kanyo. So from 158 years of history and development, and currently we have 9 research and development, dyan po talagang patunay po siya para mas napinagayon po lalo si features and technology kan sa Moyang brand. So the great thing about Xiamen po kasi first look or first glance po saya talagang luxurious na maray po ang mga units na Xiamen. But the good thing, it comes with a very good price. So just our sedan na Alsvin, the entry model Alsvin na naka-mags, naka-touchscreen, naka-projector headlights, ano na siya, 579 lang ang presyo niya. Iniimbitaran mi din po kamo na magbisita, igdiyo po sa Xiamen Naga for test drive para ma-experience po nindo ang gayon ka handling and performance and convenience features kan sa mga sasakyan.